In today's video, I am going to be breaking down today and kind of a warning for tomorrow. Today's going to be more of a informational video instead of a breakdown of a trade. As you can see, I am up $5 for the day, and it's a trade I will have to go later into detail in another video, but so far I am just going to be doing an informational type of video. So let's get into it. So, one of the biggest news for tomorrow is I'm just going to do the forecast part right now, and then I'll go into the how today went. So the biggest news for tomorrow is it's Fed Day. So it would be a good time to back off, and the reason why is we're going to be starting to get mixed signals on the 60-minute levels and weekly levels and daily levels. It's not going to be the best time, so we just wait for tomorrow's announcement and we will see where the market wants to head after tomorrow. And as you can see on the daily, you had this big gap down after the open for the new day or after market day, but like we had a huge bounce down, huge bounce into the support line. Like it was an interesting day today, to say the least. But we're gonna wait for tomorrow for Fed Day to see what their announcement is, to see if the market is if the news is gonna drag the market lower, and where we would short or long depending on the news, as it would make more sense. And then that's why, as I said in the previous video, I don't trade news because I have no idea what's gonna happen. As you can see on the daily, the reason why there's a big gap from the close of this bearish candlestick to the open of this bullish candlestick is it was news related. It was Microsoft, Google, and Apple earnings. So also, market dynamics are slowly changing, as we saw today. Today we had some good shorts, I won't lie, but back below the daily fast moving average, as I said, we are way below because of that huge gap from the close of the bars. And if we look at the 60-minute, we are way below all the moving averages. Like, look at this. This is that drop. This is that gap on the daily right here. Was this short, big ass short. And if you look at my previous videos, this is what I was explaining. The divergence, the resistance zone is going to come out and shoot right down. It's going to come out, shoot right down, and it's going to hit this support level and kind of hold. I've explained it in my videos, so if you want a deeper understanding, you can go back to my previous videos and watch that. But like I said, I specifically stated what might happen today, and it played out as what I stated in the previous videos. Now, for a day like today and a day like tomorrow, we wanna let the market show where it wants to go. Right now, like I said, we have mixed signals. We have no idea where the market wants to head. I mean, we have the divergence, we have signals pointing short, signals pointing long, and we have the Fed news, and it's mixed. We're in a sideways, like choppy market. It's very mixed. We don't know what's truly going to happen until the news comes out tomorrow. And we have our signals, we have our data showing to us where it might want to go. But, you know, as I also said, today was really good short day if you shorted today. But if you took longs, it was also good. You had some couple of good longs. So as you can see, we're slowly getting into that shorting area, but I'm not going to confirm it or deny it. We will just have to see into the week, to the market this week. shows us where we want to go. 50-50. And yeah, like that's basically it. What happened today and what's probably gonna happen tomorrow. We'll have to see. It's exciting. It's finally getting interesting, but yeah, we'll see tomorrow. I'll make an update video tomorrow after the news drops around, hopefully, like, no, news drops Western time 11, so I don't know. I'll get the video out tomorrow explaining how the news affected the market, but yeah, all we have to do is just wait. That's really it. It's going to be slow in the morning because of the news. Everyone's going to be waiting for it, and we will see where the market wants to go after the news drops. Really big fat day tomorrow. And yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.